I absolutely hate chopping up things. So I got me this little thing right here. This is I don't know, it's a little chopper. Basically, it's a slicer and dicer and everything else. And it's very easy to use. Once you suction this thing over, there's a handle over here that you can suction it down to your counter, and then you just go for it like this. Because I mean absolutely hate chopping. I hate it. So I can just do like this, and I can dice my little carrots up. It has a this little pusher, basically. Let me see if I can get it down here so I can really get them down. So I'm not putting my fingers up in here. Let's turn it that way. That's the way to go. Now I have enough carrots right here. See? Enough carrots for my soup that I'm about to make. But I just wanted to show you this little dicer thing because I use it, especially getting close to the holidays when I need to be chopping up stuff. So I use it. I'm going to make some soup with this, but I wanted to show you.